Hi everyone, welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and Alhamdulillah I am also good. So friends, you must be aware regarding this. As you can see on my screen, interview weeks by Superset Assessment. So yeah, I have informed in my previous video regarding this interview weeks of Superset platform, and also I have mentioned if you have not registered on this platform, you can register it, you can create your account. So the process, if I will be telling in this video, so I can get distracted. So for that I will make a separate video of it. Okay. In general, I'm telling you can directly go on the Superset website, and there you need to just create your account with your email. And after creating your account, you have to then sign in, register, and apply. You need to update all your details according to your current situation, like right. So based on your updated details, you will be getting emails if you are eligible. Okay, obviously it will based on your qualification, what have you done, on your experience, on your area of interests. So like that you can keep update your Superset platform, so that you can get good opportunities in MNCs, because as we all know, connected with Infosys and Cognizant, Capgemini, these in MNCs are taking assessment from this platform, because I have personally experienced. Okay, so now without further delay, now directly come to this point, behind reason behind making this video. As I got the reminder today, because on Monday, which is tomorrow, I need to take assessment. Okay, so I got a reminder like this. So in this video I'm going to tell you the sections, what are the sections there on which we need to take assessment. So you can see here, total 1 2 3 4 5 sections are there. First one is quantitative aptitude, subject quants. Then logical reasoning, verbal communication, data interpretation, C for beginners, C programming in Hindi, Python fundamentals for beginners, and MySQL basics. So these three comes under pseudocode. So basically there are four total sections. Okay, so the questions will be there from these sections only. So this I got as a reminder today. Note is written here. Refer to the email with the subject line Interview Weeks by Superset Assessment Test on Monday, sent on 27th of May for instructions how to download the Safe Exam browser. Yeah, in the previous video I have told you how can you download your Safe Exam browser. Nothing, you need to just click on the given link. After clicking there, it will automatically get started downloading. Once it will be downloaded, then you need to install it in your PC, and before exam. Now come to the Superset Assessment platform. Oh, I need to log in again. Okay. Please log in again, or no, continue. Okay, so I will show you that email first of a mock assessment. Then only you will be aware how can you take your actual assessment, right? So wait a minute. Yeah, this one. I'm just repeating. Step 1, you need to just click here, download SEB, so which is Safe Exam Browser for Windows. So you need to just click here. Step 2, you will get digital image file for the Safe Exam Browser. So using that, you need to just install that browser in your PC. It will be automatically done, you need not to worry. And after installation, uh, then the step 3, you need to log in your Superset account. So see here, I can see this start mock assessment, right? As I have told you, this is just one time attempt. So you, when you will click here, this start mock assessment, you need to check it, because you should aware before taking the actual assessment. So I have just clicked here, and then only it clicked in my mind, so I can make a video, because you also will be informed regarding this. So I just clicked here, and then I got redirected on the Superset platform. Okay, so the previously was the Superset platform. I need to create, I need to just log in there, sign in. So I gave my ID and password, and then I logged in here. After logging in, this interface is showing like this. As you can see, step to start the test. So as we have already downloaded this, so I don't think I should download it again. And the step 3 is verify system requirement for the tests. So let's see whether it get verified or not. View system requirements. I hope it is recording. Yeah. So system requirements, latest Google Chrome browser should be installed. You should have admin rights for the system supported. This. View. Okay, so you need to just check whether all these things are matching with your requirements, or uh, options or not. Hard drive should have 100 MB of free space. Yeah. No network system restriction should be present. All other applications should be closed. Okay, so I think when I will start this test, I won't be able to record it, because even if it is mock, it will work like actual one only. Okay, so yeah, I will remember the questions. I will try to recall in my mind, and then I will make a video on that separately, and I will inform you what kinds of question I got in my mock assessment. And once I will be done with my actual assessment, then I will inform you from after giving the test also, regarding what kind of questions were there, how many questions was there. So all those things I can tell you after giving the exam, right? So okay, if I would not able to recording at the same time and while giving a mock test, obviously it is not possible at all, because all the other application and Windows tabs should be closed when you are attempting the test. So even if it is mock, we are not allowed. Okay, so these are the system requirements you need to view. And then if I will start test, I think it will not be recorded because it will be the violation of the test. But I thought if like it is a mock test, so I can show. Okay, I'll check it and then I will inform you further. But as of now, you are aware now, like what are the sections you need to get ready before attempting the tests. So okay, if I would be able to record, I will continue this video. Otherwise, I'm ending here now. Thank you. Okay, if you will start as start test, so this site is trying to open safe exam browser. I have to click open. It is already downloaded here, that's why it is like this. Superset assessment. Okay, I need to again give my ID and password, and then I have to again log in. Okay, so now I'm back. I don't know whether it is recorded or not, but when I clicked on start test, so I was completely redirected to the environment of SEB. Okay, safe exam browser, and there I was not able to see anything. I was not able to minimize, or I was not able to do anything. So to come from to get out from that thing, I need to, in this right here corner, I need to click on this power sign, like this, as you can see here. So this symbol was there, so I have clicked there, and then I got option like pop up, do you want to close this safe exam browser and come out of this session. So I clicked yes, and then I am able to see my actual desktop screen. Okay, so yeah, I have noted all the questions which was there in the assessment. So in the next video I will tell you about that, so stay tuned. Thank you.